to school every day to our favorite sneakers. Every pair of shoes goes through a very long and careful process before it reaches our feet.
Many people think shoes are made by just one person or one machine, but in reality, making fair shoes takes teamwork, skills, and modern technology.
Today, we will answer these 5 questions. Who makes shoes? What technique are used? What are the values of shoes? What are the shoes important?
Shoes were made thousands of years ago by early people. Early people used animal skins like cow, goat, or deer, and together with grass and plants fiber to protect their feet from shrubs, cracks through ground, hot sand, and cold weather.
We also share interesting facts about the shoes and the history of shoes making in the Philippines. Let's begin.
Many of us are wondering who made the first shoes. But the answer is no one because shoes are created little by early people over thousands of years. But today, shoes are made by a skills of people working together.
This shows that making shoes is a team effort. Every worker has an important role, and by working together, they make strong, comfortable, and good quality shoes.
But today, shoes are made by a skills of people working together. The first one are the footwear designers. They create the style, shoes, the colors, and plan how the shoes will look. The second one is pattern makers. They make the patterns for every part of the shoe, so each piece fits together perfectly.
Material carefully cut using pattern. This pattern is called cutting. Next, the parts are sewn together. This is called stitching. Then the shoe is shaped around a foot shape. Mold called as last. This process is called lasting, and it gives the shoe its correct size and shape. Customers are happy when shoes are strong and last long time. Many recommend shoes that fit well and are comfortable for everyday use.
After that, the roll is attached to the upper part using a strong glue. This method is called gluing or cementing. This shows that making shoes is a team effort. Every worker has an important role, and by working together, they make strong, comfortable, and good quality shoes. However, people may complain if shoes are comfortable, too expensive, or wear out quickly.
So who makes shoes? The answer is no one because shoes were made little by little by early people over thousands of years. Now, let's talk about the technique used in making shoes. A technique is a method used to make shoes comfortable, attractive, and strong. The first step is designing the shoe. After that, manufacture shoes materials like leather, rubber, mesh, fabric, or foam. Now, let's talk about how people react to shoes. People like shoes that are comfortable, easy to wear, and give good support. Many people also like stylish and fashionable designs.
Shoes also provide safety. Examples, safety boots protect construction workers while sports shoes help athletes avoid injuries. Also support our health by helping us stand properly and reducing foot pain with the shoes fit well.
Shoes also have style because they allow people to express their personality and complete their outfits. Shoes also support healthy feet, help us stand properly, and help people do better in sport, work, and daily activities. Today, many factories also use modern technology such as computer, design, laser cutting, injection, molding, and automated machines to make shoes faster and more accurately. The shoes industry also creates jobs for many people around the world. Lastly, good quality shoes are durable, which means they last longer and give better value for money.
This is life! Athletes wear sports shoes to improve their performance to help prevent injuries. Working wear safety shoes to protect their fear, feel, and work. Because of them, shoemaking become an income. For many families, and marking become known as the shoe capital of the Philippines. Shoe soles are usually made from rubber because its strong flexibility and helps prevent slipping. Shoes protect our feet, provide comfort, improve our health, keep us safe.
Thank you, everyone.
I just had to let you know you're. She a happy baby.